Welcome to Nueva Vizcaya road trip. Brum brum. Sana all zigzag. Bangin ang ilalim. Sige, tira. Tira.
In 300 meters, make a slight left. Follow the main road.
Sising ko kay Bitoy. Toy, ito na yung vlog mo, Toy. Ikaw na mag-upload.
Make a slight left. Follow the main road.
Sana all. Blind curve. Cagayan Valley. Welcome to Cagayan Valley. Cagayan Valley.